I'm Monica and I'm working at Rictum Technologies. We came up with an idea to help people find their bus. So we have developed an app named Find Bus at Hyderabad. So here they can select a source and the destination, and they can find a bus, the right bus which they needed. So we also included other features like if there is a current location and you want to find the buses around or the stops around you, the nearby stops which are near to your current location, so you can find them using your GPS and everything. And we also included two other features like stops and search by stops and search by bus numbers. You know a bus number and you want to find the route which the bus number is going through, or the stops, the via stops, so you can find that. And you know a stop and you want to know the buses which the buses which are the buses the going through that stop. So we have also included that feature. So these are the four main features in this app, and we think that these are the main features which the people find useful to find their bus. It is completely offline. The three other features like source and destination, finding a route, and the buses which are going through the stops, these three features are totally offline. You don't need any internet connection. So the last feature, which is the directions feature, and where you want to find the nearest stop, you need a GPRS connection. That's all. You can type anything and you can find the nearest stops to that. So other features like it works online also. So you can also type the source and destinations online, and you can get the routes, you can get the map, you can get everything. So you can find any bus, you can find any route, you can get every information about the buses. It is restricted to Hyderabad, only the city stops like Paradise, Patni and everything. The buses which are going through other districts, those are not included. It is restricted only to Hyderabad. In future we may include the bus distances, bus timings, and the frequency of buses. So that it will be very helpful for the people to find. We have started 6 months ago. The thought has come to us 6 months ago, but we continuously worked for 2 months to get this app into life. Thank you.